In this video, I'll show the changes for Overgrowth Alpha 170, which you can try if you've pre-ordered. This week I added live update support to the config file, to make it easier to change settings in real time. This is a prerequisite for making a proper in-game options screen, so now we just have to set up the user interface for that. The live update makes it easier to change key bindings, toggle music, use debug visualizations, and many other settings. You still have to restart to change most of the graphics options, but I've been experimenting with ways to change those in real time as well. For example, you can just resize the window by dragging on the corners, though this doesn't work on Mac yet. I also changed the scripting system so that you can call arbitrary code in other script contexts using an execute function. This should make it a lot easier to make scripts that communicate with one another in complicated ways. For example, if you want to make Turner shoot lightning bolts from his eyes, his script can check for all nearby enemies, and then run some custom code in the enemy script to blast them away. This week I included this script to show modders how the execute function works, and you can try it in-game by pressing F. I also started experimenting with alternate camera options for local multiplayer, since the split screen mode can be hard to see without a large monitor. Here's a side view like in a 1v1 fighting game, which you can try out by setting split screen to false in the config file. That's it for this week. If you'd like to pre-order and try the alpha for yourself, you can do that at wolfire.com/preorder. If you'd like to hear about development news as soon as it happens, you can follow me on Twitter @wolfire.